खाना बना लिया? Did you cook the food? Did you cook the food? हाँ, अभी अभी बनाया है. Yes, I just cooked it. Yes, I just cooked it. नहीं, अभी तक नहीं बनाया. No, I haven't cooked it yet. No, I haven't cooked it yet. गैस नहीं आ रही थी इसलिए नहीं बना. There was no gas, so I couldn't cook. There was no gas, so I couldn't cook. बर्तन धो दिए? Did you wash the dishes? Did you wash the dishes? हाँ, सारे बर्तन धो दिए. Yes, I washed all the dishes. Yes, I washed all the dishes. नहीं, अब तक नहीं धोए. No, I haven't washed them yet. No, I haven't washed them yet. मैंने सिर्फ अपने बर्तन धोए हैं. I only washed my own dishes. I only washed my own dishes. कपड़े सुखा दिए क्या? Did you hang the clothes to dry? Did you hang the clothes to dry? हाँ, छत पर डाल दिए हैं. Yes, I have put them on the terrace. Yes, I have put them on the terrace. नहीं, बारिश हो रही थी इसलिए नहीं डाले. No, it was raining, so I didn't. No, it was raining, so I didn't. मैंने मशीन से निकाल दिए, तुम सुखा दो. I took them out of the machine, you dry them. I took them out of the machine, you dry them. दूध उबाल दिया? Did you boil the milk? Did you boil the milk? हाँ, उबाल कर रख दिया है. Yes, I boiled it and kept it. Yes, I boiled it and kept it. नहीं, भूल गई थी. No, I forgot. No, I forgot. अभी गैस पर रखा है, उबल रहा है. It's on the stove now, boiling. It's on the stove now, boiling. पंखा बंद कर दिया क्या? Did you switch off the fan? Did you switch off the fan? हाँ, बंद कर दिया. Yes, I switched it off. Yes, I switched it off. नहीं, अभी भी चल रहा है. No, it's still running. No, it's still running. मैंने सोचा तुम्हें गर्मी लग रही है इसलिए नहीं बंद किया. I thought you were feeling hot, so I didn't switch it off. I thought you were feeling hot, so I didn't switch it off. सब्जी ले आए क्या? Did you bring the vegetables? Did you bring the vegetables? हाँ, सब ले आया हूँ. Yes, I brought everything. Yes, I brought everything. नहीं, आज बाजार बंद था. No, the market was closed today. No, the market was closed today. कुछ ही चीजें मिली, बाकी कल ले आऊंगा. Got only a few things, will get the rest tomorrow. Got only a few things, will get the rest tomorrow. बच्चे को खिला दिया? Did you feed the child? Did you feed the child? हाँ, उसने अच्छे से खा लिया. Yes, he ate properly. Yes, he ate properly. नहीं, वो खाना नहीं खा रहा था. No, he wasn't eating. No, he wasn't eating. मैंने थोड़ी देर पहले दूध पिलाया है. I gave him milk a while ago. I gave him milk a while ago. डस्टिंग कर दी क्या? Did you do the dusting? Did you do the dusting? हाँ, सारा घर साफ कर दिया. Yes, I cleaned the whole house. Yes, I cleaned the whole house. नहीं, अभी टाइम नहीं मिला. No, I didn't get the time yet. No, I didn't get the time yet. मैंने लिविंग रूम कर दिया, बाकी तुम कर दो. I did the living room, you can do the rest. I did the living room, you can do the rest. दरवाजा बंद किया क्या? Did you close the door? Did you close the door? हाँ, लॉक भी कर दिया. Yes, I even locked it. Yes, I even locked it. नहीं, मैं समझा तुम बंद करोगे. No, I thought you would close it. No, I thought you would close it. मैंने आधा बंद किया था, हवा से खुल गया. I half closed it, but wind opened it. I half closed it, but wind opened it. मोबाइल चार्ज में लगाया. Did you put the phone on charge? Did you put the phone on charge? हाँ, चार्जिंग पर लगा दिया है. Yes, it's on charging now. Yes, it's on charging now. नहीं, मुझे याद ही नहीं रहा. No, I totally forgot. No, I totally forgot. तुम्हारा चार्जर नहीं मिल रहा था. I couldn't find your charger. I couldn't find your charger. सब्जी काट ली क्या? Did you cut the vegetables? Did you cut the vegetables? हाँ, सब काट दी है. Yes, I have cut everything. Yes, I have cut everything. नहीं, अभी नहीं काटी. No, I haven't cut them yet. No, I haven't cut them yet. अभी बस शुरू कर रही हूँ. I'm just starting now. I'm just starting now. टिफिन तैयार कर दिया. Did you pack the tiffin? Did you pack the tiffin? हाँ, सब कुछ पैक है. Yes, everything is packed. Yes, everything is packed. नहीं, अभी तक नहीं किया. No, not packed yet. No, not packed yet. खाना बन रहा है, फिर करूँगी. Food is being cooked. I'll pack after that. Food is being cooked. I'll pack after that. चाय बना दी. Did you make tea? Did you make tea? हाँ, बना दी है. Yes, I made it. Yes, I made it. नहीं, दूध खत्म हो गया है. No, the milk is over. No, the milk is over. अभी रखी है गैस पर. It's on the stove now. It's on the stove now. बच्चे को सुला दिया. Did you put the baby to sleep? Did you put the baby to sleep? हाँ, सो गया है. Yes, he is sleeping. Yes, he is sleeping. नहीं, अभी खेल रहा है. No, he is still playing. No, he is still playing. बहुत रो रहा था, अब शांत है. He was crying a lot, now he is calm. He was crying a lot, now he is calm. दवाइयाँ दे दी. Did you give the medicines? Did you give the medicines? हाँ, टाइम पर दे दी. Yes, gave them on time. Yes, gave them on time. नहीं, वो लेने से मना कर रहा था. No, he refused to take them. No, he refused to take them. अभी दे रही हूँ, पानी गर्म कर रही हूँ. Giving now, heating water. Giving now, heating water. अलमारी बंद की. Did you close the cupboard? Did you close the cupboard? हाँ, अच्छे से बंद कर दी. Yes, close it properly. Yes, close it properly. नहीं, भूल गया था. No, I forgot. No, I forgot. मैंने खोली ही नहीं थी. I didn't open it at all. I didn't open it at all. सबको खाना दे दिया. Did you serve food to everyone? Did you serve food to everyone? हाँ, सबको दे दिया है. Yes, I have served everyone. Yes, I have served everyone. नहीं, सिर्फ बच्चों को दिया. No, only gave to kids. No, only gave to kids. सब आ जाए फिर दूंगी. I'll serve once everyone comes. I'll serve once everyone comes. फ्रीज में रखा क्या? Did you put it in the freeze? Did you put it in the fridge? हाँ, रख दिया है. Yes, I kept it. Yes, I kept it. नहीं, अभी तक नहीं रखा. No, I haven't kept it yet. No, I haven't kept it yet. ठंडा होने दे फिर रखती हूँ. Let it cool first, then I'll keep it. Let it cool first, then I'll keep it. मच्छरदानी लगा दी. Did you fix the mosquito net? Did you fix the mosquito net? हाँ, टांग दी है. Yes, I have hung it. Yes, I have hung it. नहीं, कहीं फटी हुई है. No, it's torn. No, it's torn. तुम्हें लगानी थी ना? Weren't you going to do it? Weren't you going to do it? नल बंद किया क्या? Did you turn off the tap? Did you turn off the tap? हाँ, बंद कर दिया. Yes, I turned it off. Yes, I turned it off. नहीं, शायद खुला रह गया. No, I think it's still open. No, I think it's still open. तुम एक बार देख लो. You just check once. You just check once. बाल्टी भर गई क्या? Is the bucket full? Is the bucket full? हाँ, पानी लबालब है. Yes, it's full to the top. Yes, it's full to the top. नहीं, अभी आधी ही भरी है. No, it's only half full. No, it's only half full. ओवरफ्लो हो रही थी, बंद कर दिया. It was overflowing, I stopped it. It was overflowing, I stopped it. लाइट चली गई क्या? Did the power go out? Did the power go out? हाँ, थोड़ी देर पहले गई. Yes, it went a while ago. Yes, it went a while ago. नहीं, लाइट तो है. No, power is there. No, power is there. शायद फ्यूज उड़ा हो. Maybe the fuse is blown. Maybe the fuse is blown. बेल बजाई थी क्या? Did you ring the bell? Did you ring the bell? हाँ, 2 बार बजाई थी. Yes, I rang it twice. Yes, I rang it twice. नहीं, बैग में कुछ था तो चुपचाप आया. No, I came quietly with something in hand. No, I came quietly with something in hand. मैं कॉल कर रहा था. I was calling instead. I was calling instead. पैसे रख दिए ड्रॉर में. Did you keep the money in the drawer? Did you keep the money in the drawer? हाँ, चुपचाप रख दिए. Yes, quietly kept them. Yes, quietly kept them. नहीं, भूल गया, जेब में रह गए. No, forgot, still in my pocket. No, forgot, still in my pocket. तुम ही बता दो कहाँ रखना है. You tell me where to keep it. You tell me where to keep it. अलार्म लगाया क्या? Did you set the alarm? Did you set the alarm? हाँ, सुबह 6 बजे का लगाया है. Yes, I set it for 6 a.m. Yes, I set it for 6 a.m. नहीं, आज छुट्टी है तो नहीं लगाया. No, it's a holiday today. No, it's a holiday today. तुम्हारा फोन लो, उसमें लगा दो. Take your phone and set it. Take your phone and set it. कपड़े प्रेस कर लिए. Did you iron the clothes? Did you iron the clothes? हाँ, सब तैयार है पहनने के लिए. Yes, all ready to wear. Yes, all ready to wear. नहीं, प्रेस खराब हो गई है. No, the iron isn't working. No, the iron isn't working. अभी बस करने वाली हूँ. About to do it now. About to do it now. ताला लगाया क्या? Did you lock it? Did you lock it? हाँ, अच्छे से ताला लगाया. Yes, lock it properly. Yes, lock it properly. नहीं, तुम ही लगा देना. No, you lock it. No, you lock it. ताला मिल ही नहीं रहा था। I couldn't find the lock. I couldn't find the lock. गैस बंद की। Did you turn off the gas? Did you turn off the gas? हाँ, रेगुलेटर भी बंद कर दिया। Yes, even the regulator is off. Yes, even the regulator is off. नहीं, जल्दी में भूल गया। No, forgot in a hurry. No, forgot in a hurry. मैं देखने ही जा रही थी। I was just about to check. I was just about to check. दूध रखा क्या? Did you store the milk? Did you store the milk? हाँ, फ्रिज में रख दिया है। Yes, kept it in the fridge. Yes, kept it in the fridge. नहीं, उबल कर गिर गया। No, it overflowed. No, it overflowed. पैकेट खुला हुआ था, मैं नहीं रखा। The packet was open, so I didn't keep it. The packet was open, so I didn't keep it. बिस्तर लगा दिया क्या? Did you make the bed? Did you make the bed? हाँ, चादर भी बदल दी है। Yes, I even changed the bed sheet. Yes, I even changed the bed sheet. नहीं, आज बहुत थक गई थी। No, I was too tired today. No, I was too tired today. तकिया ढूंढ रही थी, फिर लगाऊंगी। I was looking for the pillow, will do after that. I was looking for the pillow, will do after that. अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो तो वीडियो को लाइक और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें और ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा वीडियो को शेयर करें। एंड लेट मी नो इन द कमेंट सेक्शन कि आगे आपको और कौन से टॉपिक पर वीडियो चाहिए। थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग। सी यू इन द नेक्स्ट वन।